Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday, January 26th. Today's video is going to just kind of go over what to do. You are going to do IXL practice. And so I just want to remind you how to do this, how to log in. So you're going to go to early finishers. So you're watching this video, so excellent job. You're going to do IXL practice, and it has the code on there. So you might just like on a Post-it note or something, write VYY. So you're going to use the code VYY, and I'm going to walk you through on how to do that. So you're going to scroll down just a little. It's right there, early finishers. So it should be fairly close to the top, but you do have to scroll down to early finishers. Early finishers, inside it says IXL, log in with Clever. If you don't log in with Clever, you can only do 10 practice problems, and that's just not enough to make you understand it and fully master it. So you're going to log in with Clever, and yours should look very similar to mine as I go to log in. It's going to ask you to log in with Google, and it says, is this you? And then you're going to take a look at that. Computer's running a little slow this morning. And you're going to go down to, I did favorites. Yours might be on down for more apps district. I don't know if you'll have this many options, but IXL in the green. You may have already done this before, but sometimes it's just, if you haven't done it in a while, it's hard to remember how to log in. Okay, so you log in. It may ask you to log in with Google. I've already logged in for today, and so that's probably why it didn't ask me to log in with Google, because I'd already logged in with Google. Anyway, so you might have one more step in there that I didn't for this morning. So then you're going to type in the code VYY, and it says write variable expressions, VYY. Don't do the Roman numeral one unless you just want to practice that after you're done. You can. Roman numerals are fun. You need them for coordinate graphing in math, so and other reasons, but Super Bowl, Star Wars are all written in Roman numerals. But VYY is your code, write variable expressions. And so then it says write an expression for V reduced by 375. So you kind of keep in your mind that there are some flipperoos. Less than, more than, subtracted from. Reduced by is not one of them, so it's just V minus 375. And you hit submit. This is good work. The sum, so you got to remember sum means to add. So B plus 365. I just want to go over a couple of these with you so that way you have that review of that vocabulary. Reduced by, subtracted from, more than, less than. They do the switches and keeping all that straight in your mind. So 239 reduced by R. Reduced by is not a switcheroo, so you just subtract. Sum of 291 plus S. And you're just writing it, taking it from words, and you're turning that into an algebraic expression. So I'm not going to do all of these. I was just trying to run, minus. All right, so I was just trying to run across a few words. And so P minus 187, we write it just like we see it because minus doesn't flip. I was hoping it would give me a flip over. Now, it says type an asterisk if you want to use multiplication sign and a slash if you want to use division sign. So n times 101. Now I'm going to say 101 n. I wonder if that would work because number of letters side by side means to multiply, or if it's going to make you do shift 8. I'm going to try to get it. I'm going to say 101 n. Oh, nope, it counted it because it knows that a number of letters side by side means to multiply. So you don't have to use that on, so you could type it in that standard convention, which is good. U added 2, so added 2 means to add, so we use the plus sign, 113. All right, Z minus 106. Minus means to subtract, so I do Z minus sign 106. So it's just getting it out of those words and putting it into a math problem. 373 divided by C, and it says to use the slash sign, the fraction bar. It's down near the M at the bottom, divided by C. All right, so you got to get an idea of what to do. That is your assignment for today. Have a blessed day, and I hope you're feeling well, and I'll see you tomorrow.